Hello everyone, I am Hemanshis Kantadam and today I am here to present a presentation on machine learning subject. So, my topic of presentation is spam detection using machine learning. So, let us see what is spam detection. Spam detection is a type of spam sending is a type of cyber attack where uh, hacker or intruder sends a mail to you which look fishy. It's I would call it phishing. So where it has some attractive features or some legitimate business copy, as some bank has mails. So using that same domain, changing some text, using the same letter format by the bank, they send you mail regarding to your account something, and they have mail. So link, so some website link where you need to go and submit your details, and otherwise the bank will close your account. And some people fall into this and send their own bank details, so it could cause a problem, or some commercial, personal, unsocialized mails also came in the spam, so that are spamming. So we can also detect that also. So that are the email spam. Uh, so let us see how we will deal with that spamming, and using machine learning we will detect the mails which are spam and which are not spam. So first there are three main features. First, data analysis, feature extraction, and anomaly detection. So here at spam detection, we need to analyze the large data patterns of mail sent by the intruders to detect spams. So after spamming, we will extract the mail data from that mail, also called as feature extraction, to identify the keywords from that mail, which could be uh, which could identify as a spam. So later anomaly detection, machine learning checks the pattern in the machine email behavior, flag flag it according to the situation, for spam or not spam. So what is the effectiveness of machine learning in the catching spam? Improved accuracy. So as we grow our model, as we train our model, uh, as our data set goes long, we improves our accuracy and adapt new spam patterns using higher accuracy in spam. So next is adaptability. Adapting the patterns or new patterns, or the update, or the uh, continuously updating the new spam techniques used by the intruders. We can effectively we have effective evolving spam against. So we have adaptability, and lastly reduced false positiveness. So we know we have four types: true positive, uh, true negative, false positive, false negative. So reducing the false positiveness. Okay, so it can ensuring that legitimate mails should not be flagged as a spam, so that they should not we should not lose our important mails from the companies or any other legitimate entities. So, what are the advantages of using machine learning into the spam detection? So, machine learning, we can train our model once, and it will every time while we are predicting spam or not spam, it will generate us the results. So, it is basically um, creating our own software which detects automatically, so we should not have to always look into it for checking or flagging the mails. So second point also get fulfilled, that manual root maintenance, so it reduces that also. So when our data set grows, or we use bigger data set and we train it, so once we train, we don't need to use it again and again for a long time, because once we have rules, so it can work for a longer period of time in a model. So machine learning can handle large dataset with complex pattern efficiently. So there are many patterns in many spanning technique. So once we have trained our model with larger dataset, we have maximum possibility of getting correct results, so that we don't have so it cannot also get the false positive as we have discussed. uh, so that also get handled easily using larger dataset and complex efficiency patterns. So let's see what are the extra features of machine learning into spam detection. Means spam detection. So pattern recognition. There are many patterns uh, which can be detected by the machine learning, and it automates our task of flagging the mails. So next is the real-time analysis. So it analyzes quickly as possible as possible, so that we don't have to wait for longer period for getting the results. And adaptability filter. So adapting the new tactics or features, uh, machine learning model can adapt easily for detecting the spam. So behavior analysis. Now in behavior analysis, analyzing the user behavior and also identify the potential spams. So next is what are the challenges in the implementation of machine learning. So there are some challenges also present in um, building a machine learning model for spam detection. First is data quality. So we should have the reliable and clean data. Right? If you don't have clean data, we need to clean it manually and then we will train. And if you have null values, we have to remove that. If you have some blank values, non values, we have to first clear that. After pre-processing, we can train. And next, reliable data. So we should have some legitimate data to train. Otherwise, if you have trained with any other data, it could get us some wrong results. So model overfitting. So there is concept of overfitting as we have. So avoiding the complex model and biases. So what will happen if you have larger data and a model is overfitted? So at that time, some of the features could be uh, got missed and biased. So that is also concern. Feature selection. Identifying the right features into spam or text for identifying or flagging it is spam or not spam is important. If you have wrong features, say wrong features are selected, we could have a wrong prediction. Last is scalability. So adapting the model for large scale data, the email traffic is very important. So implementing machine learning in small businesses, ensuring the data quality available, as we have all seen, it's very much important. So data collection pre-processing. So we should have data for collecting for training the model. So data collection involves collecting a large amount of data from a diverse set of mails, including both spam as and not spam, and preparing your text normalization tokenization features. So it is a property of NLP, natural language processing. So first tokenize it, normalize it, tokenize it, and after that we will encode it and other all stuffs, and we can extract features also it. Later model training and evaluation. So we have data, we have processed the data. So our next task is training the model using some algorithms of NLP. We need to train the model in such that for binary classification, uh, such as spam or not spam. For that, we need to train the model, and after training the model, we have to test it based on the data and metrics, so that we could get the accuracy or score of our model. and some of the real world application case studies. There are many attacks of spam as we see into the machine, into the real life, and uh, using machine learning, it's very much helpful for detecting spam mails and filtering it. Yeah, machine learning uses in a real life application. We see scenarios. So there is one case study where the old age person received a mail from a bank, from a fake intruder, telling that he's bank officer and asking for his money for the investment, and so looking legit for him. And he was also going to trust and send him the account details and money, but there was a machine algorithm for detection of spamming was used, so he got the message that it is spam mail, and after while checking he cross-checked with the bank and it's found that this was a spam mail, and he got the save sending his money, so sending money to the intruder or hacker, and he also saved his own money and also got an idea. So in conclusion, uh, it's a good practice to have a spam filtering in using machine learning, so that some legit we should not lose a legitimate data also, and we should get to know that what are the spam mails and what are the legit ones. So that is it. Thank you.